What's up, guys? This is Josh here. Did you know if you could find a way to make $274 a day for an entire year, you would be making six figures? In this video, not only am I going to show you ways on how you can make that happen, at the end of the video, I'm going to reveal on how you can turn that money into over $1 million. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Josh and I upload videos every week about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future and you care about your money, go ahead and obliterate that like button and also click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. And it only takes $274 a day to have you making six figures within a year. Now, I'm not going to lie and say it's easy, because $274 a day is a lot of money to generate in a day, especially as a side hustle. But if you have the right mindset, it's really within reach. So here are some side hustles that you can start today that will make you at least $274 a day. And after I go through this short list, then I'm going to show you how you can turn that money into $1 million or more. So the first thing that you can do in order to reach that goal of the $274 is by searching the Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Now, you don't need to create original content on YouTube to start making money off of YouTube videos. You can actually repackage other videos as your own. Compilation videos are legit, and it's a legal way that you can make money on YouTube by using other people's videos. And if you can get millions of views off of your video, you can easily make $274 or more every single day. However, look here, you can't just grab one video off of the Creative Commons and re-upload it as your own, because that would be stealing. But if you can get different videos and make one video of the clip here in variety clips, maybe you want to do one, just say the world's fastest trains or the world's richest people, and you can go and make one continuous video of a clip here, a clip there. But most importantly, make sure that you add detailed caption about your video in the description box, because this will help your video get recommended to more people, and the more people it's recommended will be the more views, and the more views will equal the more money, and you will reach your goal faster that way. Or number two, you can sign up for Fiverr. I mean, I have made fast money on Fiverr, and I am confident that you can too if you have a goal in mind and have the right mindset. Because Fiverr is a freelance site where you can sell just about any service or digital product online. Gigs are the easiest way to make that $274 fast, especially if you have a specialist background or experience in digital marketing. But you can offer services like logo design. You can offer services like translation services, because I know this guy who did this on Fiverr, where I'm talking about translation services. He just uploaded the document into Google Translate and sent it back to the client. I mean, some people just don't know how to do that, because there's something out there for everyone, especially if you're freelancing on Fiverr. And also, you can consider affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model which a company compensates a third-party publisher for getting traffic to flow to their site, which is normally in the form of a referral link or a special link. And the thing is, I like this because it's really like a set it and forget it. You put the link out there, people click on it if they're interested in the product that you are pushing for this company. And if someone clicks your unique link, you will then get a percentage of that sale. And as a blogger, I would say that you could easily make the $274 per day, but of course that will come with a lot of time and effort upfront, because first you're going to need to build a consumer base. And I personally know people that they make well over $274 a day, and they just put out their affiliate links. And if you are enjoying this video so far, be sure that you click that like button and keep watching, because I'm going to show you how you can turn these gigs into over $1 million. Now, number 4, you can flip Amazon deals. Now, Amazon is a one-stop shop for things like toilet paper, shoes, electronics, kitchenware, and so much more. I mean, it's A through Z, right? But many shoppers overlook the Epic Deals page. It's full of new sellers who are trying to build their reputations, and you can find products up to 60% off only for a limited amount of time. And here's how you can shop and collect the profit as the middleman. First, you want to go on over to the Epic Deals page on Amazon. Then click on the discounts, and I'm going to click on this Robo vacuum cleaner. As you can see here on the page right now on Amazon, is for $209. Now, what you want to do is go on over to a site like eBay and search for this same product and check the selling price there. And you can see on eBay right now it's selling for $539. That's a $330 profit margin already. So what you want to do is copy and paste the photos and the description from the Amazon site, and now you want to create a duplicate list on eBay. Now what you can do is order a few items from the Amazon discount and sell it at a higher price on eBay for a buyer there. Number 5, you can drive for Uber. Now, I know firsthand that it is possible that you could make $274 per day driving with Uber. I have done it before. And this is assuming that you're willing to put in the necessary hours. I like Uber, one, because you get to work on your own time, you set your own schedule, and it's a great side hustle where you can easily pile up cash real fast. I mean, on busy nights, I have come home with more than $500 in fares and tips easily. However, this does greatly depend on your location. So if you are in a rural area, it might not be as busy, just say if you were in an urban metropolitan area. I have a referral link with Uber down in the description box below, and you can make an additional bonus just by signing up and completing your first few rides. So far in this video, I spoke about YouTube, Fiverr, affiliate marketing, Amazon, and this is how you can take these side hustles and turn it into $1 million. First, don't spend the money. Remember that this is a side hustle, it's a side gig, so hopefully that you will have another stream of income coming in to sustain your lifestyle. And if you invest that for 6 years, if you do this for 6 years, first 6 years may sound like a long time, but what if you started this 6 years ago? So look here, after the first 2 years, you will have already gained $212,021. And after 6 years, you will be in millionaire status. And I am running this at 12%, which has been the average rate of return of the stock market. So if you are 20 years old now, by the time that you're 26, you will have millionaire status. Now that's powerful. And think about this, most of the stuff that I named on this list it's not manual labor. Just Uber is the only thing that will really take you going out there trading your time for money. Just think about how free you would feel, how less stressed you would be if you had over $1 million in the bank. Even at the point, if you wanted to withdraw 5% to live on after 6 years, you will still have $50,000 a year to live on, and that wouldn't even touch your nest egg, and that nest egg will continue to grow in order to give you a raise, which, by the way, would still be inflation. Y'all, this could change your life. We're talking about generational change here. We're talking about changing your family tree. So you can check out the top video right over there where I talked with Julie from the Investing Latina, where she explains how investing works. And you can also subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.